Alright folks, so this morning for something to smile about, Neville and I are going to be using the strength of our lungs to compete in Davison low football. How does this work?
I have no idea. I just don't know what we're supposed to be like. So.
And I'm trying to get you not to score and you're trying to get me not to score?
I guess. We don't know. You can't show me anything?
Hold on.
Like this?
Wait a minute. Oh my jaw.
Well, I know. So the ball must stay there or must bring it up or what? I don't know.
Can you wait for the whistle to blow? Come man.
You don't want to.
Ready? On the mark. Put your ball in the middle. That's how we start. On the mark.
Yeah.
Get set, go. One love.
No, one love. Yeah. Hold on. I'll go on. It's one ball at a time. Hold on. Give me the time. I never realized that the goal is.
Two left.
But the next one, climb it. I never know, but you have your hand to block that so we can't score.
I don't know hand.
Thank you.
Right,
come climb it.
Ready?
Yeah.
And the marker set.
Let's say one at a time. Thank you. 2-1.
Put it back in one.
No, say one at a time.
Oh, one ball at a time? Mm-hmm. Ready?
Mm-hmm. 3-1.
Ready?
3-2.
Strategy. Ready?
I want to see your face. 4-2. I don't know.
Now the board is getting decorated with mouth water. You see that one there? Pow!
Real Madrid, Liverpool, 5-2.
Call me Manu. Ready?
Yep.
Wait, no, sir.
We don't do nothing.
Too easy.
6-2.
Let me get 60 now. We have to still go on?
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Hold on, wait, nigga. First thing is, you're supposed to be here.
Oh.
Yeah, because you have it all over, so you don't understand.
Your face is supposed to be on the board?
I actually have the best blower
You can only coach.
in the world.
You can't play.
What's that? 7-2?
Ready? So go on, sir.
That makes so much nice in that.
Wait.
7-3.
You're a crook. Ready?
Yep.
He didn't score. Here you go.
7-4. Coming back late in the game.
That's a 7-3. The last
7-4.
Give me keep it set.
No, you're moving your head again. 7-5. 7-5. Coming back late to the game. 8-5, but no.
Yeah, my knees are starting to feel it now.
The game is not for the swift. Yeah, 8-5, you win. How's your knee? Touch me though. How's your knee? 8-5. All right. Whew.
All right. Good job. Go team.
Manchester United just beat Arsenal 8-5. Okay. All right.
Roll out is next. Cha-cha. My knees, man.